Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam. I'm assistant professor of English at Government Degree College Havelia. I'm also a focal person quality enhancement cell. In today's short video, I'll just briefly talk about our workshop, that is HEC capacity building workshop, which is being organized from 7th June to 17th June 2021. The main focus of this workshop is undergraduate education policy and semester system. So, although we all have been sent emails to log into Moodle. Moodle is a learning management system. Still, I think that if there are few ambiguities, and if some of the participants are not clear about it, so I thought that I should do a video and explain certain things. So this workshop, which we are going to be part of from 7th June 2021, it's a joint project, okay, by NAHE and PERU. So these abbreviations stand for National Academy of Higher Education and Post Secondary Education Reform Unit. The username you must have received by now also contains this string. Okay, I have a username Rustam dot piro c8. Okay, now next I'll talk about main objective of this workshop. So this workshop is basically it has got two objectives. One is the introduction to undergraduate policy 2020. Okay, so the course instructors will try to orientate and educate college faculty on undergraduate policy 2020. And second main objective is semester system and pedagogical aspects, that how to teach in semester system, because we all are teaching have been teaching for a long time in traditional paradigm, traditional system or annual system. Now we are going to be orientated on what semester system is and what are its requirements and how we should shape our teaching in this system. So 90 colleges of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa have been selected for the initial round, and almost 300 participants, that is 3 participants from each college and 30 participants from quality assurance program of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and higher education department. So in total we are joining this course, we are 300 participants for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Now duration, it's a 2 weeks workshop from 7 to 17 June 2021, but practically I have just calculated there are only 8 days, so we can say it is an 8-day course. Like we will be joining sessions on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 June, and then after 3 days break there will be sessions on 15, 16 and 17 June. So this all I have gathered from the 3-page document uploaded in the Moodle. Now timing, synchronous session 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Synchronous mean that we all have to be logged in. The whole 300 participants will be listening to our instructors in real time. That is, we all have to be online at the same time. This is known as synchronous mode. And as far as asynchronous mode is concerned, it means that we will be given some assignments, etc., or a quiz, etc., or any other document to be read, and there is no we are not supposed to be online at the same time. So each one of us can do that assignment or quiz or reading activity in our own time. So there's no compulsion that we all have to be online at the same time. So asynchronous means anytime you can do that activity, but within the stipulated time frame. But when synchronous means that time given. So what I have gathered, it is that our synchronous session will be held from 10 to 12 noon, that is 2 hours session, and sometime it may go up to 4 hour session later on you will be explained inshallah on 7th June from the course instructors. Now, course contents. There will be an orientation session on 7th June, that is 5 hour session. And and this orientation session has two parts. First part is synchronous, that is 9:45 to 12 noon, and then we have there will be 3 hours another session, that is asynchronous. However, our main concern is with the other three modules, that is content modules, and each content module has got 2 units, that is total there are 6 units. I'm talking other than this session. Okay, orientation session has got 2 units, but actually we are concerned with these modules, that is 3 modules and 6 units. Total there are 4 modules and 8 units, but for us we can say there are 3 modules and 6 units, because the first one is orientation session. Okay, next we have exam. So as there are 6 units, so we all have to do 6 quizzes, and each quiz will have 10 MCQs. 10 MCQs. It means we have to be very vigilant while listening to lectures on 6 course units. And there are 3 assignments based upon each module, content module, other than orientation session. So orientation session is just orientation, but after that we have 3 content modules, and there will be 3 assignments to be done based upon 3 content modules and 6 quizzes. Then module 2. Now I'm going to introduce quickly. Module 2 will be held on 8 and 9 June, Tuesday and Wednesday, and its topic is transitioning to semester system. Definitely we all will be briefed in the orientation session what it is about, but as it appears from this term, that our course instructor will educate us how we are shifting from traditional to emerging, that is this semester system. And this module has got 2 units. Unit number 1 is what is semester system transition, or what is semester system, and then what is course design, how the courses are offered in semester system. Again, we have to be very much clear that synchronous session will be held from 10 to 12 noon on these 2 days. Okay, 8th and 9th June. Then we have module 3. It will be held on 10th and 11th June, that is Thursday and Friday. Its title is course assessment and feedback. Okay, in semester system, how courses are conducted and how they are assessed, evaluation, etc., and how we can give feedback to the students. So it again has 2 units. Unit number 1 is assessment strategies, and second one is in feedback incorporation. Then we have last module. It is 2 days module, rather 3 days module. After 3 days break, we will come to this module, that is 15th, 16th and 17th June, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. The title of this module is active teaching and learning within semester system. So again it has got 2 units. Theory of pedagogy, that is how to teach youngsters. We also have a term andragogy. Andragogy means teaching to adults. So here we will be taught, I think, that how to teach BS students, undergraduate mean BS students in colleges, and what should be our strategies. And then teaching technology integration. As we all know that in the backdrop of COVID-19, we all are using technology. So how we can integrate technology into our teaching. I think this will be the focus of this module. Now, course delivery platforms. So they are using Microsoft Teams for synchronous mode, and Moodle for asynchronous mode. Synchronous mode means that our lectures will be on Microsoft Team. Usually we take our lectures on Zoom software, but there are so many other platforms. So I have read the email and it was mentioned, not email, rather this Moodle platform. When I logged in, so I went through 3-page course contents. So it was mentioned that course will be delivered on Microsoft Teams. So all the participants are requested to download Microsoft Teams from Play Store in their smartphones. And if you are at home, or if you have access to desktop computer or laptop computer, you should download Microsoft Teams using a browser and install it. You don't need to log into Microsoft Team. You can, because link will be sent to you through email or through WhatsApp group, and you just need to click on it and you will be automatically into Microsoft Teams, and you can attend a session for 2 hours the way we attend a session on Zoom software. So real time learning, that is 10 to 12 noon. Now as far as asynchronous mode is concerned, it is Moodle is a learning management system. The way we have Edmodo or we have Google Classroom, it is a static type of activity in which assignments will be uploaded, some reading activity will be given to us, maybe quizzes are uploaded, and there is a link for a quiz because there are 6 quizzes for us. So Moodle is a learning management system, and if you have a valid email, course instructor from HEC, they will send you an email. There will be a link, there will be a URL, National Academy of Higher Education, Piro. So you can logged in to that platform. They will send you initial username and password. Later on you can edit your profile and you can change your password, and then you can visit this classroom daily during the course. This was the brief introduction from my side, and in the WhatsApp group which has been created by Professor Imranullah Khan Marwaz Sahib, who is our Director Quality Assurance in KP. We are 2 focal persons, Ma'am Fozia from Girls College Haripur and me, Rustam from Government Degree College Velia. So I will be coordinating 165 male lecturers, faculty from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa colleges, and I'm also a trainee like you. I'm attending a training, so I'm part of this training course. However, I always try to grasp things first, and then I try to share my learning experiences with my colleagues. So hope this short video will help you about the course. So we all will be sharing, we all will be learning. It's a 2 weeks course. Actually it is a 8-day course, and hopefully we will be orientated on undergraduate policy, because if you happen to be in touch with HEC's policies, so they have got 2 types of policies. Undergraduate policy means BS system, and graduate policy, that is MPhil and PhD. So there are changes as well in graduate policy, but we are implementing undergraduate policy in colleges. So let's see what they offer through for 3 content modules and 6 units. Inshallah we will be learning a lot from each other. Thank you very much.